Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20 and the 50 EMA on MetaTrader 5. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then go to Insert, Indicators, and click on Trend, and go to Moving Average. Now we have here period, type 20. We have here method, choose exponential, okay, because EMA stands for Exponential Moving Average. We have here style. You can choose the color you want. For me, I will choose gold, for example. This one is for the thickness of your EMA. So let's choose, for example, this one and click on OK. And now, as you can see here, this is our 20 EMA. Now let's add the 50, insert, indicators, trend, and moving average. Again, here on period, change it to 50. Method exponential. The color, I will change it, for example, to, let's say, this green. And the thickness, I will keep this one. Now click on OK. And that's it. As you can see here, we have the 50 and we have the 20. Okay. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.